So, see I got a little crack there. Goes across. This is where the rims are put together. Rather than spend 100 and something on a rim and a 70 on a set of spokes, I spent about an hour with this bracket. Drill and tap. These are 4mm screws. And you don't ever have to worry about it coming apart. This whole, both sides together weigh 24 grams. I weighed each screw. 2 grams a screw, and the plate is 5 grams on each side. Well, a rim lock weighs 3.5 ounces because we just put it on this OHAS triple beam, and we learned that. So I also use this J-Morse 191S. The only thing I can tell you about it is it comes out of Fresno. Good stuff. If it gets in here, you won't regret it. Helps you fix spokes.